First time we're gonna warm up. Second time we should start up about a couple 100 feet back there. The landing looks a little soft.
Laufet, Brüder, eurer Bahn, laufet, Brüder, eurer Bahn, freudig wie ein Held zum Segen, wie ein Held.
There's no other track like Mammoth. I ride here better than I think anywhere else.
I like it. It's the best track.
What makes it the best track?
Just the way it's prepared, and it's good. It's not that dangerous.
Whenever I get to ride it, I always consider it the best track in America. It's well prepared. It's it's got every type of terrain you're going to run into, big downhills, big uphills, and it's good for passing. So I consider it the best.
World-class racers from across America will agree. Mammoth is the best motocross track in the United States. The track is completely natural and very soft, giving riders the chance to go all out. The start at Mammoth is most critical. The start gate is larger than most, putting a lot of the riders on the track at once. Top money winner Johnny O'Mara told us about it.
Yeah, well, here you got the cement start, which is makes it kind of tricky to, get the traction and get off that. So if you can kind of just, without smoking the tire and get off the cement without spinning it too bad, and then, then roll it on and try to not tangle with anyone. But, getting a good start here always helps because, some good guys. And if you have a good guy like yesterday, I had Lachine get too far ahead of me, and there was no chance of me catching him. He just built up too big of a lead, so the start's still important here.
Most riders try to crowd the others over on the first uphill turn, then pick up speed on the downhill. With 40 bikes coming into the hairpin at once, being ahead has its advantages.
Let's wish him good luck! Here it goes! Go! Go! Hammer! Hammer! Relax it up close. Right that
there's a rider on the first rider. Sign up for that at 5 a.m. And of course, he's down. Hopefully he'll pop back up.